Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Today let's discuss about the information security. So far in our previous video, we're discussing about the information and communication technology relating with crimes. So today let's talk about the information security. We'll start with the concept of this, the information security. Information security simply it means that protecting the information and the information systems from various unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. So information security means just staying safe away from various unauthorized access or various unauthorized use or disclosures or any disruptions from external or modifications that are not qualified or distractions. So that's simply the meaning of the information security. The term information security, computer security, and information assurance are frequently used interchangeably. It means that they are frequently used uh, interrelating to each other. It means that they can be used close relating to each other. These three of them: information security, computer security, and information assurance. All these are just there just to provide the safety use of maybe of the network or your computer, or just safe access towards personal information and various data. So that's all about these three: information security, computer security, and the information assurance. Now these fields, these three fields which we have seen before, they are interrelated, and they share the common goals of protecting the confidentiality, that is the privacy, or just the confidential uh, move or system, the integrity and the availability of the information. However, there are more subtle differences between these three of them. Now, these differences simply they lie primarily in the approach to the subject, the methodologies used between these three fields, and the areas of the concentration. Talking about these three fields, the information security, computer security, and information assurance. All these three, they can be differentiated, or they can be separated, simply lying in the approach they used it towards the given subject, the methodologies. You are talking about the methods that are used uh, along with these three, and the area of the concentration of these three fields of security. Now, the information security basically is concerned with the confidentiality, integrity, and the availability of data, regardless of the form of the data may take. Uh, Simply the electronic print or other forms. So that's what this information security is concerned with. I is concerned with the confidentiality, integrity, and the availability of the data, regardless of the given form of the data, which they may take, simply maybe electronic print or other forms. Now, I hope all that is clear. Now, moving on, let's see the importance of protecting the information systems in various ways, or simply the importance of information security. Now, some of the benefits of the importance, they include as follows. The first one, uh, information security, it demonstrates a clear commitment to data security, including the confidentiality and the strict accessibility rules. So the information security is there just to apply a clear commitment to data security, whereby the various data within the personal use are secured, and they are kept private without uh, any breach of privacy, or any uh, accessibilities that cannot be authorized. So that's the first benefit of the information security. The second one, that it provides the procedures to manage risk. There can be various risk in usage of the various devices trying to impose the information that you have. Now, the information security just helps provide various procedures that are there just to enable manage any risk that may happen, that may lead maybe to loss of the information. The third one is that it keeps the confidential information secure. So various confidential information are kept secured within the information security, just help to keep them clear and safe from any breach or any unauthorized access towards such confidential information. The other one that provides a significant competitive advantage as thereby the information security, it gives the freedom of just access to the potential information that is there with the authorized personnel. So it provides a significant competitive advantage whereby information is clearly shared and it's in safe hands. The other one that it ensures a secure exchange of information. Exchange of information can occur, that is the communication. So the information security is there to amplify or to ensure that there is a secured communication. The other importance that it creates consistency in the delivery of services or various services. Thus, the information security just enables the consistency in delivery of various services, as thereby there's no breach of various information that can lead to the inconsistency. The other one is that it allows the for interoperative operability uh, between the organizations or groups within an organization. So it enables the cooperation or the interoperability, that is the interchanging of information and the operation within the organizations or groups within the given organization. Also, it builds a culture of security. A culture of security is there as it brings uh, safe passage of information and enables clear communication. So that's the other importance of the protecting the information systems. The other way that the other importance that it protects the company assets, shareholders, employees, and clients. So simply it protects all those who are involved within the given organization. Simply the information cannot be breached with the other unauthorized access from external personnel. The other one is that it gives assurance that a third party provider takes your data security and your business as serious as you do. So information security is there just to enable that there's a proper arrangement of your data that can be kept with the seriousness without any breach or disturbances from the third party providers. So that's all I have for this video. It's clear we've talked about the information security. We've seen the interrelationship between the three fields within the security, that is the information security, computer security, and information assurance. And we've seen the various importance of the protecting the information, that is the information security. Thank you.